Learn how to change the theme of the app in a single click. Create a new Flutter project. Delete this parts. Then delete my home page. Create a new Dart file. Home page. Create a stateless widget. Home page. Return scaffold. Import material Dart. Open main.dart file. Home. Home page. Import homepage.dart. Then run the app. It's blank. Here we need to change the theme data. Scaffold background color. If we enter colors.black here, the app will be colored black. Then we declare a bool variable. Is dark theme equals false. Here we check the variable is true. Colors.black. Else. Colors.white. Run the app. It's white. Then we change the variable value to true. It's dark now. Theme data can be put in a class. So create a Dart file. File name styles data. Class styles. Create a theme data function. Function name, theme data. Parameters bool is dark theme and build context. Return theme data. Set all theme based on conditions. Set scaffold background color. Primary color. Color scheme. Card color. Canvas color. Button theme. Context is used for this button theme. Open main.dart. Remove this theme data. Call the class name. Import that class file styles data. Theme data. Parameter. Is dark theme. Same variable already declared. Then context. Then run the app. This is dark. Because the variable value is true. Change to false. It is light now. Then install shared preferences from pub.dev. It is used to store simple data in an allocated space in user device. This data exists even when the app is shut down and start up again, we can still retrieve the value as it was. Here it is used to store and retrieve the theme data set by the user. Open pubspec.yaml. Paste shared preference under Cupertino icons package. Pub get. Create a new Dart file for shared preference getter and setter. Name theme pref. Class theme prefs. Create a setter. Set dark theme. Parameter bool value. Create a shared preference instance. Import package. Prefs equals shared preferences.instance. Need async and await. Prefs.set bool. We set a value in here. It's a key value pair. Declare a key variable. Value is passed in parameter. Key. Static const theme type. Use this key in here. Then create a get function. Get theme. Future type bool. Get theme. Async. Create shared preferences instance. Shared preferences.get instance. Return. Prefs.get bool function. Pass this key. Need to initialize. False. So light theme is default theme. Then we install provider from pub.dev packages. In provider, widgets listen to change in the state and update as soon as they are notified. Here it is used to notify when the user changes the theme. Included in pubspec.yaml file. Then pub get. Create a provider class. New Dart file. Class theme provider. With change notifier. Notify changes is the main function of this provider. Then initialize ThemePrefs class. Import ThemePrefs. ThemePrefs equals ThemePrefs. First we assign a theme variable and its default value is false. Then a get function. Bool get dark theme. Return created theme variable. Then a setter. Set dark theme. Parameter bool value. Dark theme equals value. ThemePrefs.set dark theme. Call the function from preference class. Then call the notify listener function. Open main.dart. We used to create a function for get the current theme. First we initialize theme provider class. Import theme provider.dart. Theme change provider. Equals theme provider. The function void get current theme. Async. Theme change provider.set theme equals. Await. Theme change provider.themeprefs.get theme. Then convert this to a stateful widget. And create a init state. And call this function in init state. Then material app is wrapped with a multi-provider widget. Multi-provider has required argument list. Providers. Inside the provider list pass the change notifier provider. Create function. No parameters. Use underscore. Return. Theme change provider. Again wrap the material app with a builder. Change to consumer widget. Type our theme provider. Need 2 more parameters. Theme provider and child. Then change the theme data parameter. Theme provider.getDarkTheme. Then open the home page. Change to the stateful widget. Add body. Center widget. Create a switch list tile widget for changing theme. Title. Text theme. Add 2 required arguments of switch list. Value and onChange. Set state inside onChange function. Then declare final theme state. Equals provider of. First we need to import provider.dart. Provider of context. Type theme provider. That is also import. Initial value is theme state.getDarkTheme. In onChange. Theme state.getDarkTheme equals value. Add this icons. Secondary. Icon. Theme state.getDarkTheme is true. Icons.dark mode outlined. Else. Icons.light mode outlined. Text widget is missing here. Then run the app. Yes, it's working. Thank you for watching.